Hi everyone, my name is Adedayo and I'll be teaching you how to do a PCG factory reset on the Korg Nautilus. Let's go. The reset happens in 3 steps. First, you need to click on the mode button. So when you get into this window, it shows you the set list, program, sampling, global, media, sequencer, combination. And what we need to click on now is the media. And when you get to the media, you click on the preload.ksc, you click on load, and it brings you here, and then you click this, and you check these 2 files, which is preload.pcg2 and also preload.sng, right? And when that is done, you hit the OK button, and then you give it some time to load up. All right, now that is done, I want to hit the mode button, take us back to program, and then you have a brand new